Effective Saturday, June 14, commuters in Metro Manila, Central and Southern Luzon will pay more for their jeepney rides. The LTFRB has just approved jeepney fare adjustments in these areas, saying it found enough basis for the increase. Jules Giang filed this report.
After a series of consultations with all stakeholders, the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, or LTFRB, approved the added 50 centavos for every 4 kilometers. This is based on the study of the National Economic Development Authority, or NEDA, regarding the impact of the fare hike.
Ang nilabas po natin desisyon ngayon ay base doon sa aming pag-aaral at doon sa ebidensya na naipakita din ng mga petitioners dito, ang mga transport groups, ay nagdesisyon tayo na magtaas ng pamasahe sa jeep sa NCR Regions 3 and Region 4 sa halaga ng 50 centavos sa first 4 kilometers at 10 centavo naman doon sa mga succeeding kilometer. Alinsunod dito doon sa ating nakita na mula nung huling pagtataas ng pamasahe noong 2011 ay tumaas na ang average fuel pump increase ang prices ng halos 6 na piso mula noon at doon at maliban dito pati ang mga prices ay nagtaas na rin, no?
The formula used in this fare hike is based on the cost recovery method and combining the socio-economic analysis of NEDA. According to Secretary Coloma, the interests of all stakeholders were balanced, like the commuters and the needs of the jeepney drivers. This decision was made with the assistance of NEDA and DOE.
Sa side po ng mga drivers ay unang-una ay ang pagtaas ng diesel, pagtaas ng mga lubricants at ang pagtaas ng mga presyo ng mga consumer prices natin, no? Sa part naman ng mga consumers natin, mga commuting public natin, tiningnan po natin ang hindi gaano makakabigat sa kanila.
This fare hike will be effective on June 14, when 50 centavos will be added on the first 4 kilometers, then additional 10 centavos per succeeding kilometer. All qualified senior citizens, students, and persons with disabilities who will use public utility jeepneys must be given a 20% discount. This decision is being supported by all leading transport groups. For People's Television, this is Jules Giang.